more time. This is why dancehall fight against homosexuality. I have 9 o'clock I want to get up and dancing. Alright? Why? So we know about them things. What am I telling you? Dancehall a ghetto thing. I could establish what we are say. For who just a join the class. Only late guy to that done already, I do it. And see mama and Vela run out the kitchen. Why dancehall fight against homosexual behavior? Is dancehall is ghetto people thing. Alright? One, that's part of the answer. Not say ghetto people thing and ghetto people don't know homosexual and ghetto no. As a ghetto man, dancehall, a ghetto man buy him sound system. A ghetto man do that. We them get money from foreign and they are foreign and buy equipment and we attack origination of dancehall now beginning night. A man a build sound and play sound and people gather around and dance and woman they in the middle like do dancing and jig and half naked and really draw more people and the thing now. Dancing, a dancehall there and dancehall is a dancing thing. Who love dance more than Batman? We are read someone now, I know all mama belly where burn out the thing just a pre when I say no. If you are say dancing, you are attract dancer. Batman love dance. No. It have alright, so Batman a dancer. Watch another profession. Well, no profession, but maybe pick another one out of the hat. We pick another one out of the hat to get no further room and there. Like it have no room upon act and sing and these things with it. Yeah, but say liar. Yeah, why a liar would be a Batman? Well, a liar a Batman. Well, people know that. Well, people say that. Well, a liar powerful people. Now, suppose you as a Batman liar, just give an example where I give a good analogy. Why dancehall fight against homosexuality? You as a ghetto man who build your dancing circuit, you buy your sound and you build your sound and you have good thing. Dancing, you play sound and lane, top of lane, top right I mean, and it have build what dancehall is now. Suppose you as a homosexual liar want come in at the mix of one and do. Remember, you a homosexual, remember, you're a lawyer. Everybody knows you as a lawyer. You're a lawyer who help build things them in the lane via politics. You can inject money via politics into what's happening in the ghetto. Except dancehall. That me I make you know. Why? Yeah, dancehall, our thing. The Jamaican man them thing where you hear white woman a big up. Dancehall, our thing. So we as a ghetto man now can't allow a politician to anything when him do. But you see when our enjoyment at the end of the night, him can bring him Batman friend come dance in the middle as a turning it into now. Instead of a space where man come to look the girl them where we make a dance. I mean, people come to see some freak show like we have gone a carnival more time. This is why dancehall fight against homosexuality.